taste, right? So if we were gonna make applesauce, would you make applesauce with 20 different apples? Probably not. You probably wanna make an applesauce with one variety of apple, right? And then you may get creative and try to do something gourmet and fancy and add different apples just to see what you get, right? Same thing with an orange juice, right? There are tons of oranges. And if you made orange juice with a variety of different oranges, it's not gonna taste good, right? But if you make orange juice with Valencia orange, it's gonna have a distinct flavor. So what's happened over the course of the last 100 years, we've been eating chocolate that's been a combination of cocoa from all over the world. No one can tell us what type of chocolate we're eating, right? So why not have chocolate that have indicators of where it comes from, what are the genetic strains, so that consumer can really appreciate what Mother Nature really provides. That is the differentiator with SPAGnVOLA. We're about trying, when you saw the video, and you and my wife said, my husband said, I want to make the world's best chocolate, that's where it stems from. We're not satisfying ourselves with just harvesting cocoa, cultivating, harvesting, and making chocolate. We want to understand what contributes to fine flavor and aroma. And we want to be able to allow the cocoa tree to express that independently. Okay? So, I would love for you, has anyone ever tasted 100% chocolate? No. This is going to be your first time. Okay. So we're going to taste each one of these, and I'm going to tell you, it is going to be a very intense flavor. Your palate is not used to this, but I'll tell you this. If you eat a little bit of this every single day, you would be amazed to what you're missing when people add sugar to things. You understand? But for today, you're just going to taste it. It's going to be very intense. But the reason we're tasting it is because I want you to notice the difference between these two trees. Okay? Are we ready?
Yes.
Do you have a question before we start?
Yeah, I'm just wondering if you found any physical differences between the trees.
Oh my goodness, listen. Every single tree is different. Every single, and here's the thing. The reason why this has sort of been ignored in the industry is because we lived in an industry of mass production, right? So there's this fear in the chocolate industry that we are losing the original flavors of cocoa, of the true flavor of the tree. Because what they're doing is, after they broke the genome, now they're trying to figure out, well, what genome is disease resistance and high yield? Because once they figure that out, they create hybrids that provide high yield and disease resistance. They don't care about flavor. Because the large manufacturers that control the industry, they're the ones that are going to flavor it the way they want to flavor it. So when you talk about heirloom, when you talk about the original flavors, those are going to be lost probably in the next 20, 30 years. But with companies like myself that care about this, it is critical that we preserve, protect, okay, and continue to cultivate these type of genotypes, right? So we'll start with 4-34. Now I'm going to tell you, this is one of the most expensive chocolates you're ever going to eat. And it's okay to put a face because it is on a very intensive side. Now before you taste it, smell it, okay? There you go. And it's a little cat smell. Little cat smell.